crown gate. Sun on the hood shining too late. Candy paint drops like a river of gold. White wall tiles and a story told. Big rigs gleam in the pickup stand tall. Coupe after coupe in the parking lot hall. You can hear that rumble before you look. Every ride got a page in the book. Heads turn, hearts race. Roll by roll, face to face. Shine on, let it burn. Look at what the good hands turn. Beautiful cars, beautiful trucks, rolling like dreams built out of guts. Beautiful cars, beautiful trucks. Everybody sing. Look at that luck. Fire in the dash and a leather seat. Clean little coupe on a polished street. Lifted up high with the mud still proud. Low slung shine in a cheering crowd. Every dent and chip got a place to stay. Proof for the miles and the Saturday. Hands up, let them clap. Engine note in a silver snap. Shine on, let it show. Trucks, rolling like dreams built out of guts. Beautiful cars, beautiful trucks.